Welcome to the English Learning Channel, English Trainer. Today we are going to learn some daily vocabulary with pictures. Just follow us, watch and practice.
Red apple, red apple.
Красное яблоко.
Apple garden, apple garden.
Яблоневый сад.
Bitten apple, bitten apple.
Откусанное яблоко.
Spoiled apple. Spoiled apple.
Испорченное яблоко.
Pear, pear.
Груша.
Banana, banana.
Банана.
Red grapes, red grapes.
Красный виноград.
Yellow apricot, a yellow apricot.
Желтый абрикос.
Lemon. Lemon.
Лимон.
Sweet. Sweet.
Сладкий.
Sour. Sour.
Кислый.
To taste food. To taste food.
Пробовать еду.
To guess. To guess.
Отгадывать.
To think. To think.
Думать.
To be angry with. To be angry with.
Сердиться на.
Angrily. Angrily.
Сердито.
To look at. To look at.
Смотреть на.
To give. To give.
Давать.
To take. To take. To give. To give. To like. To like.
Нравится.
I won't. I won't.
Не хочу, не буду.
Fresh juice. Fresh juice.
Свежий сок.
Rotten fruits. Rotten fruits.
Гнилые фрукты.
Ripe peach. Ripe peach.
Спелый персик.
Workers. Workers.
Рабочие.
Peach. Peach.
Персик.
Peep. Peep. A pip is a small seed inside a fruit that can be found in various types of produce such as apples, oranges, and watermelons. To eat. To eat.
Есть.
Grape juice. Grape juice.
Виноградный сок.
To drink. To drink.
Пить.
To drink coffee. To drink coffee.
Пить кофе.
To drink tea. To drink tea.
Пить чай.
To drink water. To drink water.
Пить воду.
To drink juice. To drink juice.
Пить сок.
To drink coffee. To drink water. To drink tea. To drink juice. Delicious. Delicious.
Вкусный.
To peel the apple. To peel the apple.
Очистить яблоко.
Peel. Peel.
Кожура.
A basket of fruit. A basket of fruit.
Корзина с фруктами.
To pick apples. To pick apples.
Собирать яблоки.
An apple tree. An apple tree.
Яблоня.
Questions.
Answers.
What are the kids doing?
They are picking apples.
Where are they?
They are in the apple garden.
Who are they?
They are workers.
What are they doing?
They are picking apples in the apple garden.
Are the apples ripe?
Yes, they are ripe and juicy.
Are they spoiled and rotten?
No, they are ripe and fresh.
What are they doing?
They are looking at the apples.
Where are they?
They are in the garden, under the apple tree.
What is this?
It is a basket of fruit.
What is in the basket?
There are bananas, grapes, apples, and other fruits in the basket.
What is he doing?
He is eating a peach.
Is it sweet and juicy?
Yes, it is. It is sweet and juicy.
What is this?
It is grape.
Is it yellow?
No, it is not. It is green.
What is he doing?
He is giving an apple to his sister.
What is he doing?
He is thinking. Is he thinking or guessing? Maybe he is guessing.
What is she doing?
She is testing food.
Is it sour?
No, it is delicious.
What's he doing?
He is peeling an apple.
Are they ripe?
Yes, they are ripe.
Are this bananas green?
No, they are yellow.
What he is doing?
He is drinking juice.
What she is doing?
She is drinking coffee.
What she is doing?
She is drinking water.
What do you want to drink?
Coffee, please.
Are you angry with me?
No, I am not angry with you.
And give me a bottle of water, please.
Take it, please. Don't forget. Like. Comment. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.